Hey everybody, it's Dalton here with Byrider Madison. Wanted to make a video for you. I know we're in the middle of summer right now. A lot of folks are making those summer days count, taking trips, whether up north or other destinations. Wanted to make a video for you for your road trip in the middle of summer here. So obviously, first things first, obviously Wisconsin weather can be a little warm. So definitely want to make sure that your AC is good to go. If it's a little warm, not freezing cold, could be something as simple as a Freon charge, which I know a lot of people could probably do themselves. All you gotta do is pick up a bottle of like Freon, and it's pretty much just plug and play from there. And then you can pick that up for like 20 bucks at Walmart, Blaine's Farm Fleet, something like that. It's pretty simple. Other things before you obviously make your road trip is making sure all your fluids are topped off so the car is in its top performance. Also checking your tires. Definitely don't want to have any mishaps or anything like that. Making sure you're getting the most out of your gas mileage there as well. On oil changes, definitely want to make sure your oil is fresh and it's changed regularly, not so you're running on super old used oil. Just make sure that motor is ready to hit the road, same as you are. So definitely, if you're looking for a car, need some stuff checked out before you hit the road, give us a call. We'd be more than glad to try and get you into service. Or if you're looking for a new ride, definitely give me a call. I'd be more than glad to try and help you. 608-663-1213, Dalton, Byrider Madison. Always here to help. Talk to you soon. Bye.